Hello everyone! Today we're going to the snowy part of Switzerland, and this is your friend Dailani aka Sweet Pay, and we're going to Glacier 3000 at Les Diablerets. We started our train trip from Geneva up to Egg, and from there we have to take another train to Les Diablerets. But unfortunately at this time, because of the snow, train tracks is not doing good. So we took the bus going to the Gare of Lesty. You see guys, though I'm wearing good shoes, pero nakakatakot pa rin na baka madulas ka. Kahit na sabihin pa natin wala kang nakikitang snow sa dinadaanan mo, sometimes very thin icy. So madulas yun ang madulas. So while waiting for the train, we took some pictures around, and here's already the train. This is just a small or a short train, and this is what's inside. I will let you see the snowy landscape on our way to Les Diablerets, okay? And so now we reached already the Les Diablerets train station, and the bus stop is just adjacent, but the bus is still not there. So we go around and took some pictures. You see, Les Diablerets is also a skiing station, and lots of people goes there to ski. And so we go a little bit around and farther from the train station and took some pictures. That's the skiing path that you can see in there. People go up and then go down on that wide path that you're seeing. The temperature in here, guys, is very low. You can tell from that. So no need to say how low it is. And that's the train station. There's a small river passing by the side. And look at that bridge. How thick is the snow? So guys, balik na tayo sa train station kasi andyan na yung bus. And okay, I will let you see the view on our way to Col du Pillon. You can see also how the driver managed the bus. Ang bilis niyang magmaneho. Well, anyway, used na sila sa ganitong klaseng road. But although ang road is already clear of snow, pero syempre nakakatakot pa rin. Well, para sa akin na hindi kabisado yung ganitong klaseng road na paliko-liko at saka snowy pa, ang kitid pa, syempre nakakatakot para sa akin. Pero sila syempre used na sa ganito, so wala na, hindi pa nagbubusina yan ha. Grabe. Well, I will let you see, okay? arrived in here, guys, and in here we have to change cable car. You see how many skiers together with us? Ang dami nila, guys. Kami lang ata ang walang bit-bit na ski. I went with my 2 friends. This one is bigger than the first one, I think. This cable car. Okay, I will let you see the view going up, okay? We have already arrived on the top, guys, but I just want to take a picture of this arriving cable car for you to see really how big it is, because it is the biggest cable car so far that I have ride on. And for the part 2 of the Glacier 3000 and the Peak Walk, you can just click the link below that the arrow is pointing, the picture I'm in, and then I'll see you on the next video.